After a few years of making do with some pretty flimsy trade show displays, we decided to step it up a notch and put together a truly stunning display that would command attention. It didn't take long to see that Poster Garden's Varia Endeavor retractable banner stand was the display we were looking for.
The perfect combination of strength, simplicity, and style. The Varia Endeavor retractable banner stand shares your message with amazing graphics and accents that truly stand out. The Varia Endeavor features a unique removable graphic roller that lets you easily retension or exchange your graphics. It also has an optional halogen or LED lights that add a sharp finishing touch.
We love how great the Varia Endeavor looks, but also how easy it is to use. Its adjustable pole makes it easy to set up the graphics and lets us use our Endeavors at any level, from tabletop to full height.
The Varia Endeavor also comes in a two-sided version for maximum coverage and impact. And every Varia Endeavor comes with a padded carrying case.
Now that we know what a huge difference a great display can make, we'll never give up our Varia Endeavors.
The Varia Endeavor retractable banner stand, only from Poster Garden.